Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am absolutely thrilled you are here today because we are diving into the next level of blending brilliance, the Vitamix Ascent X4 blender professional grade. If you are ready to say goodbye to lumpy smoothies and hello to restaurant quality purees, hot soups in minutes, and even homemade dips that wow your guests, this machine is about to change everything. Picture a sleek powerhouse that not only crushes ice like snow but also alerts you when to tamper thicker mixes, all while self-cleaning in a flash. No more guesswork or underpowered gadgets cluttering your counter. This pro-grade gem elevates everyday blending into effortless artistry. Stick around, because by the end of this, you will see why the Vitamix Ascent X4 belongs in your kitchen arsenal. And hey, if you snag it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us jump right into the features of this blending superstar. First off, the design is modern and inviting, with a compact base about 8 inches wide and 18 inches tall, weighing 11 pounds for that sturdy feel without being a hassle to move. Available in shadow black or polar white, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen vibe, from minimalist to cozy. The core is the 2.2 peak horsepower motor, packing 1500 watts of raw power that handles everything from frozen fruit to tough nuts with ease. The laser-cut stainless steel blades, 13 inches long, create a powerful vortex for flawless blends every time. The included 48-ounce low-profile container is BPA-free Triton, shatter-resistant, and perfect for 1 to 4 servings, with measurement markings and a vented lid for adding ingredients on the fly. What sets the X4 apart is the touch interface and smart tech. The digital display shows a timer that counts up as you blend, plus 5 presets: smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, frozen cocktails, and dips and spreads. Just select and let it run, with the soup program heating via friction in about 6 minutes. There is also a plus 15 seconds button to extend cycles, a tamper alert icon for thick mixes, and overheating notifications to keep things safe. Self-detect technology reads NFC chips in the container or attachments, auto-adjusting power and time, so it works perfectly with optional personal cups or food processors. Variable speeds from 1 to 10 plus pulse give you full manual control, and the self-cleaning program blasts away residue in 60 seconds with soap and water. It comes with a tamper for pushing down stubborn ingredients, a digital recipe book with over 30 ideas, and a 10-year full warranty that covers everything. Price is around $700, a premium investment but built to last a decade. Okay, now for the real deal, pros and cons after daily use on everything from protein shakes to peanut butter. Pros first. Number 1, the power is elite, pulverizing ice into fluff and emulsifying dressings without a hint of grit. Number 2, those 5 presets are lifesavers, nailing textures from velvety soups to scoopable sorbets hands-free. Number 3, the smart alerts like tamper and overheat make it foolproof, preventing mishaps during busy preps. Number 4, self-detect versatility lets you swap attachments seamlessly for single serve or chopping. Number 5, cleanup is genius with the self-clean cycle, fitting rushed mornings. Number 6, the build is premium, quieter at 85 decibels than older models with no wobble on high. Overall, it streamlines pro results every time. Now cons, because honesty rules. 1, the $700 price feels hefty for casual users. 2, the 48-ounce jar is great for small groups, but may need multiples for larger families. 3, touch controls can glitch if wet, though rare. 4, no app integration like some predecessors, so no guided recipes via phone. 5, it is 11 pounds, not super portable for travel. 6, presets are solid but limited. For more like nut butters, go X5. But here's the truth. For most people, the pros eclipse the cons. If you blend regularly for health, family, or fun and want smart, durable performance that pays off over 10 years, this is your match. Not for one-off users, but for committed blenders seeking ease and excellence, it is a resounding yes. So my recommendation, bring the Vitamix Ascent X4 home today. It transforms blending from chore to joy, unlocking gourmet potential effortlessly. Click that referral link in the description to snag it on Amazon, and you will get the best pricing plus special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your counter will thank you. Before we close, smash subscribe for more kitchen magic and click the link to fuel the channel. What recipe are you tackling first? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock! If this helped, like the video, share with a blending buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.